Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to give you a quick update about my Cartier tank watch. I've gotten a lot of comments about how it should last or it shouldn't last, or people have heard bad things about the vegan leather. So I want to tell you what happened. Well, as a family, we traveled to a different state, and I decided, let me visit the Cartier boutique in this state. So I went there and I told them about my watch band, which you guys saw was peeling. And they took a while to make sure that it was a real Cartier watch. I don't know. I'm assuming they could have just looked up my profile, but they got out the whole thing to make sure it was real. And they apologized and said, we don't have your vegan replacement for your vegan leather band in stock, but you can choose any of the ones we have in stock. And I'm like, oh, okay. I'm not upset with that. I didn't want another vegan leather band because of, well, my experience. So instead I got this one, this alligator leather, and it's navy blue. And I wasn't sure it was gonna look nice, but it actually really dresses up the watch. And I've had it for 5 months. 5 months? Yeah, 5 months or so. And what began to happen with this, so let me give you a more up close view. So pretty, right? So you can see I've obviously been using it. And this started to peel off though, because this part right here, it doesn't move. They shouldn't have this right here probably. This one does move. This started to peel off and it started to come off, and guess what I did? I just super glued it back on. Yeah, that's all I did. So this says made in France, and this has actually made the watch look a lot dressier. So let me pull up my sleeve and show you how much dressier it makes the watch look, right? Right? It's pretty. I really love the navy blue, and I guess it kind of goes with the dial right here. So they did take care of me, and they told me that if I need anything else, just give them a call. So I really appreciated that customer service. So just so you know, just because one Cartier boutique may say, hey, it's your fault and it's supposed to do this or what have you, or may have not that great customer service, you go to another one in a different city, they may have better customer service and say this should not be happening, which this boutique said this should not be happening after 3 months. She goes, after a year maybe, or over a year, but no, not after 3 months, and profusely apologize. So that was kind of them, and I appreciate them making it right. So I wanted to give you a quick update on that. All right, bye guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah guys, I'm so happy that happened, because I was just like, come on Cartier, don't disappoint me that your quality isn't good, and if it's not good, then you'll replace it and do something about it. So yeah, I think this band, the lady showed me different bands I could get, like even a baby pink one. I don't know, I think I'm into pink right now because my daughter's into pink, but I'm really loving pink, like baby pink stuff. Yeah, I hope that helps you guys.